Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 Buick Encore Preferred Edition that is factory certified. On the outside of this Encore, we have heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, rear backup camera, and a rear windshield wiper. Inside we have comfortable seating for 5, push-to-start technology, and illuminated entry. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 Buick Encore has less than 17,000 miles, is factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Call Tameron at 251-626-2641 or visit www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.